every morning is, normally I have water by my bed, but today I did not because I didn't fill it up last night. So I just had a water bottle basically. So in the morning I come downstairs and I get me some water. Okay, so next I like to either make a smoothie, but I've been slacking on that, and then I just started back juicing. So today I'm going to juice, and I'm going to grab the fruit and veggies that I'm using today and wash those first. Okay, so I have they organized this refrigerator. I kind of hate this refrigerator, like our old one that we had at our condo. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use these apples because everyone's like trying to go bad and we don't want that. So I do got some whole ones. So I'm gonna use these apples. And that is it. Then we grab our white vinegar. And then our baking soda. I put it on hot water. I got my 4 apples I'm going to use today. I'm also going to wash my kale because I had experience with collards in the bag, and it had hair all through the greens when I cooked them because I just went ahead and put them in a pot. So I'm going to clean these kale too. Drink some more water. Okay, so this is a brand new one. We replaced the old one. So you have to rinse it off. Rinse it out. What I learned from last time is put a store bag in here. Makes the cleanup so much better. So we save our bags. Put them in trash cans and put them in our compost. Chop up my lemon and my ginger, and then I'm gonna get this juice thing going. After I juice, I am gonna fix them some breakfast, and then probably me a midday breakfast. It is later in the day because today they had e-learning, so I pretty much just let us all sleep in until about 10. So literally just getting up and moving around. Sometimes, especially with being pregnant, you gotta let your body rest. So that's what I did today. Rinse off this fruit and veggies, the lemon peeled, and then all my fruit and stuff ready. So So just what it looks like. Probably doesn't look that good, huh? Okay, I ain't gonna lie. With the other machine, I did strain the pulp, but apparently that's missing all your fibers. So I'm lacking some of that fiber and iron, so I'm going to attempt to drink the pulp that I do not like. Grab my mason jar, grab some ice. Pour it over ice. Ooh, look at her. So pretty. Alright, let's try it. Mmm, it's pretty good. Yeah, that's good. And the pulp is so fine, it's not bothering me, so here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna clean this mess up and then I'm gonna prep the kids breakfast, brunch, and then me something to eat as well. So I did want to show you guys how easy this is to clean up. So any food or any food left over on the sides, I just pretty much just scrape it into this, and then all you have to do is just take the bag out, and this is all leftovers, and this is clean. See? And then, like, when I start gardening next year, I can save this and then put it in my garden. Okay, so for my breakfast brunch, I'm going to make some avocado toast. Okay, I'm cooking. So I'm about done my juice. So I'm about to finish this. And then I'm gonna make my toast. So I have some white, made with whole grain, Sara Lee bread. Okay, so I have some grits, some avocado toast with bacon, and a few little grapes since I had this big old thing of juice. So I'm not doing a big serving of fruit for breakfast. So this is my breakfast. Alright, so I made it to my mom's house, and that's the Mexican cornbread. And when I get done, I'll show you guys what it looks like, and it's really good. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's done. Kind of like just a regular cornbread. Okay, it might not look pretty, but it's just like cornbread, corn, cheese, banana peppers, burger, or ground beef. Don't look pretty, but it's really good. Also some water. I go through these, I go about, I don't know, 4 or 5 a day. Okay, I totally forgot to record this part. I ended up getting some meatloaf, no mame, and some green beans as well. Don't judge me. I'm kind of hungry. Okay, so I went to Trader Joe's. I really went to Trader Joe's just to get these. Even though I had 3 bags full. These, oh my god, I went to the Trader Joe's. If you haven't seen my video already, go watch it and then come back. But I went to Trader Joe's for the first time, I think Friday, I went. These, I literally ate in minutes. like I bought the bag. This time I'm about the tub because these are so good. The kids are about to try them with me as well. So I'll let you guys know like what I picked up from Trader Joe's real quick. So I got like 3 boxes of those pizzas. I got some more shrimp burgers. So I'm actually about to eat one. So I'm taking that in the house. That's gonna be my dinner. I ended up picking up these chicken pot stickers. When I did my haul, my husband, well, actually the whole family had these, but I ate my shrimp burgers instead. So I got 2 bags of those. And then I got a vegetable rice, and I got another one in here already. I think down there. Because again, I have a large family, so I need to buy 2. Okay, so I picked up this. It looked, I don't know, it just sounded good to me. So lemony arugula basil salad kit. I don't know, it just sounded so good to me. Oh, I need to put this other pizza in the freezer. We needed more eggs, so I got 2 cartons of eggs. Okay, so I got this spiced chai tea. I got this matcha. And then 2 more things of apples. So for drink, I got this Dr. D Sparkling Probiotic. To be a little fancy, I'm gonna put it in a glass. Alright guys, so I got my salmon burger and my fries, homemade fries, and then my probiotic drink. This will conclude my what I eat in a day pregnancy edition. I know I started out pretty late, but I still want to be realistic, let you guys know what I eat all in a day. So alright, so I'm about to enjoy this and then call it a night, and I will catch you guys in the next one. If you haven't already, subscribe, hit the like button, let me know what type of videos you like to see next. Thank you. Bye.